Asuntoskeittiö ja Liipolan Kari.
Yeah, this is also very amazing today on the 28th of July 2023 we have Pihtikatu 14th TKSA. We have to get to the TKSB as well here. It was still original today, but unfortunately building 12 was already priced.
Yeah.
We filmed this building 10 also.
Yeah.
Right flush here. And it was built in 1970. But I like the cab, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I have to turn the lights, sorry. I like this dark blue color for the door.
Same.
And the red lilac color in the cab.
Yeah.
It's only 50 years old in 2020, gonna be 28 this year, 2023, 0SH 18667. And now let's take to us here. Sorry. No, it's just the sound from the elevator.
Yeah.
I love this minute here. And this is going to Liipola, Lahti, Finland. With the cave with the street level and double section here.
You can press.
Yeah, sorry.
Jos tippaa kivais, kun täältä menee eteenpäin Kone.
I'll try it. Back to a straight level. Okay, thank you very much for watching.
That's